Hello there, Murph here for a pro overview of OmniCube's next large format thin material solution. Introducing the Slim Slab Table HD. What does HD mean? Well, you guessed it. HD stands for heavy duty, and boy is it heavy duty. OmniCube's Slim Slab Table HD is the sturdiest large format thin material table on the market today. One table alone can hold up to 600 pounds. Designed with durability and safety in mind, the Slim Slab table is a rigid unit, meaning no wobbly folding legs like most tables that can fold unexpectedly, causing damage to your material or your crew. The table legs are quick and easy to attach or to remove. Make the use of your table safer and just as easy to break down, transport and store. Thin material can crack or break easily when it bows, so a flat surface is essential when laying down your material for scoring. Well, gone are the days of jimmy rigging the legs with wood or scraps to try and level out your table. These leveling feet make it easy to level out your table on uneven surfaces. Simply start with the leveling feet about a third of the way out, just like this. Then adjust as needed, in or out, to level the table before laying your thin material down, getting the perfect flat and even surface every time. The Slim Slab Table HD is the perfect height to allow you to easily lay your material on it without bending or straining, while still being low enough to provide optimum reach over the piece. The table features 6 lightweight and durable aluminum reels, each with silicone material support pucks that keep your material off the reels and help reduce sliding or movement off your piece while you work. Keep your material secure for scoring, cutting, and more without worrying about damaging the reels. And if you do accidentally cut one of these, they're easy and inexpensive to replace. To further keep your material secure on the table, we have also included rubber material stop posts to allow you to push your material up against them when doing edge work. When not in use, just place the stop posts under the table for easy storage. And the HD table measures in at 70 inches long by 60 inches wide. But hey, if that isn't quite enough for your piece, these connectors here allow you to securely connect a second table, effectively doubling your work area. 2 tables together can easily hold a 1.5 by 3.6 meter sheet. This table literally saves your back, your material, your time, and your reputation. What's not to love about it? To learn more, visit our website at omnicube.com, and don't forget to like this video and subscribe for future pro overviews. Until the next time, cheerio!